Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, the Authenticator app installed, and your Gmail account open on a computer. Once done, go to Google Account Security and find two-step verification. You'll be prompted to verify your password again. Do that now to continue. Make sure you have recovery options listed so you can restore access if needed. This step starts the link between your phone and Gmail, so keep both devices on and follow each prompt as it appears. Now add the Authenticator. Choose the Authenticator app option and select your device type. Then Google will display a QR code. Open the app, tap to add an account, and scan the QR code. This creates a rotating 6-digit code. If scanning fails, choose manual entry and type the key shown on the screen. It produces the same codes. Once you have a code, enter the current 6-digit number into the Google prompt to prove sync, and click Verify to bind the app to your Gmail account. Finish by confirming verification succeeded and enabling two-step verification for your account. You'll see the Authenticator listed as a sign-in method. Make sure to download or print backup codes and add a secondary phone or security key so you're not locked out. If the 6-digit code is rejected, check your phone's time settings. Authenticator relies on accurate time, so set it to automatic sync and try again. Once complete, you'll use the app codes whenever Gmail asks for a second factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.